everybody, it's Tiffany, and I just wanted to talk to you real quickly about the ScrapRack Sampler Kit and who should use it and why, and what it is as well. So the ScrapRack Sampler Kit is a great way for you to sort of test out the ScrapRack theories and the 4-section system and how the binder system works. It's just kind of an easy way to ease into that whole idea, and then it's transferable. So if you decide, I love this, I'm going to go with the whole ScrapRack system, you can take everything that you've put into your ScrapRack sampler and just move it on over to your ScrapRack. So it's a great way to test things out, and then it still works 100% when you move over to the ScrapRack. What do you get in the ScrapRack sampler kit? You get our 12x12 craft binder with a 3-ring section on the inside. The craft binder cover comes all by itself, and that's generally used by people who already own a ScrapRack. It's a way for them to either thin their ScrapRack or to take just small sections with them when they go somewhere. So you get the binder. You're going to get 40 of our Shut Your Flap large labeling tabs. You're going to get the 26-page variety pack of basic storage pages. And this pack is really cool. It's the first variety pack that we've done, or the first small variety pack that we've done, that has that includes some of the double-sided duo pages. So in this pack, you're going to get Supersize Single, which is 12x12. You're going to get Fabulous 4, which are the 6x6 pockets. Perfect 6, which are 4x6 pockets. Fantastic 5, 5x7 pockets. Vertical Double, those pockets are 12x6. And then you're going to get the double-sided duo 2x1, so 12x12 pocket on the back, 2 12x6 pockets on the front, and the 4x1, which is a variety of 4 pockets on the front, and then a 12x12 pocket on the back. So it's a really great way to test out those pages, see which pages work best for you. Once you start sorting and organizing into the ScrapRack system, into a binder system, you're going to discover that you are consistently buying the same brands or the same shapes and sizes of products. So this is a great way to say, oh yeah, I'm always buying 4x6, or I use tons of 5x7 products, and so it's easy to go back to the website and then purchase just the perfect pocket size that you need. And then you're also going to get a set of the dividers. So this is 5 tabbed dividers. What are you going to do with it? You are going to start building your 4-section system. So whether you decide to start with the rainbow or themes and sentiments or calendar year, whichever you want to do, you can choose any one of those categories, and depending on how much stuff you have, you might be able to do more than one. Most of us as scrapbookers don't have that option. But you can see, so what I've got in here is a travel section, and so I've used one of the dividers. I used my label tab. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I, as you know, a little bit OCD, and I like everything neat and tidy. So I put a label from my label maker onto my labeling tab. Everything looks the same. It's all matchy-matchy. I like that. And they stick on there just fine. The other thing, back to my little bit of compulsion there, is that I like all my tabs, so my 5 tabs, to stay lined up. So if I add a new section in, I can just change the sticky notes instead of having dividers that are out of order. Okay, so there you go. There it is. And then simply, you're just going to choose whatever theme or themes that you're working with, or holidays, or even rainbow, and you're just going to start loading up the pages. Now, there's some techniques involved in loading up the pages. First thing you want to do is whatever you choose, let's say travel, you want to sort those items by size so that you know which pockets they're going to fit in. So this first pocket that I have things loaded into is the 5x7 pocket. It's called the Fantastic 5. It actually has 4 5x7 pockets, and it has this tiny cute little pocket in the middle. Usually there's not a lot that goes in there, but it is tiny and cute. And so these are all 5x7 pockets, and they go 2 different directions. But you can see it makes it super easy. You can put things facing forward and facing backwards, so when you turn the page, you get a great view of what is in the back side of that pocket. Now, if you're new to the ScrapRack, you can load your pockets up with 5-6 items in each pocket, right? It's what you're comfortable with. The page will certainly handle it. The plastic that the pages are made out of is super durable, so you're not going to be able to tear out the ring holes or anything. And then in this side, I've got one of the double-sided duo pages. This is the 2x1, and I've got those 4x6, those 12x6 pockets on the front. This is Vegas stickers and embellishments. This is Hawaii stickers and embellishments. You can see the picture in the back coming through there. And those are 12 by 12 stickers for Hawaii and Las Vegas, and so they are on the back side. So that is just one page. That is the double-sided duo 2 by 1 page. So this is a great way to organize within a category, travel, and then keep the things together that go together. So I've got the collection together, but it's all in the travel section, right? And then here I've got some smaller chipboard embellishments. And then I've got a flip and storage page in the back as well. So a super simple way using the ScrapRack sampler to kind of test out how do I like keeping my things in a binder. There's a couple of tips and tricks that you want to know. First thing is you want to keep in mind that the ScrapRack is designed at an angle, right? So while each of the pockets has this little flap on the top to help hold your products in, turning your pages in your binder from the upper corner is going to make sure everything stays in the pocket. So even if it's laying flat, you still want to turn from the upper corner because it keeps things flowing down rather than trying to flip from the bottom over, right? So turn from the upper corner and that's going to help. Put your bulkier things and your heavier things closest to the binder. And that's the 3-ring section. It's the cross between binder and spine. Load your heaviest, bulkier things closest to the binder, your lighter weight things as you move out. But you can really bulk up the pages. You can add significantly more to them than you think you're going to. These are all chipboard embellishments. There's 3 or 4 in each pocket. It's going to really hold a ton of stuff. So the ScrapRack sampler is a great way to get started. Choose a category that you use all the time and that you want to access all the time and start sorting and organizing those products into your binder system, and I promise that you will love how easy it is to access and find exactly what you're looking for. So just a quick recap, the ScrapRack sampler kit is going to come with 5 dividers, 26 pages, and that's a variety pack, 40 of the label tabs, and you get the 12 by 12 craft binder with that. It's just a great way to either get started with the binder idea or to add on. Maybe you have a ScrapRack already and you just want to add on to your ScrapRack. Did you have a comment, Max? Oh, yeah. So when you look on the website, there are 2 of these binders, and they look the same on the website. The difference is that one comes with the 3-ring section and one does not. So you get the 3-ring section with this kit as well. So binder and 3-ring section, pages, dividers, tabs, and you're all set. You're ready to get started to sample ScrapRack. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Hope you have a great afternoon.